Hello guys, this is Sandani from Stream Shorthand channel. Welcome back once again. In this video, I am going to give you some advanced phrases useful to get more speed to develop your speed. Right? I am going to the video now. Advanced phrases. Part 70. Advanced phrases. Part 70. Number 1. At short notice. At short notice. This is a very regularly used phrase. At at Sharhard with surplus at short notice. At some length. At some length. At some length. At some length. Right? Then in the same length. In the same length. In take the surplus M, then L. The same length. Then at the beginning of the war, at the beginning of the war, at the beginning at the beginning of the war. See, at the beginning of the war. At the close of the war. At the close of the war. At the close of the close of the war, right? Then at the beginning of the financial year. Financial year. At the at the beginning of the financial year. At the beginning of the financial year. Same way at the end of the at the close of the financial year. At the close of the financial year. They may at the end of the period. At the end of the period. At the end of the period. At the beginning of the period. At the beginning of the period. At the ing, then I'm just intersecting P here. In the same way, at the moment. This is commonly frequently comes the word. It comes very at the sorry, at the moment, at the moment, I will write it at the moment, T above the line, then moment, at the moment. So these are some 10 advanced phrases are given in this video. These are very useful. At short notice, at short then surplus, at some length, at T above the line, surplus M and L in the same length. In tick the surplus M and L, then at the beginning of the year, at the above the line, gay and hook, gay, then way and ray. From here, way and ray. Beginning of the war. This is at the close of the war. At the beginning of the financial year. At the beginning, gay intersecting here. Store gay intersecting. Then F and R. At the close of the financial year. At the cul surplus F downward R. At the end of the period. At the end, then I am intersecting P for period. At the beginning of the period. At the gay and hook and ing, then for period P I am intersecting here. At the moment, this is a very short outline. At above the line, then meant at the moment. So these are some 10 outlines. 10 more I will give you. Please note down. I will give 10 more. These are very useful. At the instigation of, at the instigation of, at see T stroke T above the line, surplus gay hook, at the instigation of. Then 12th, at the outside, at the outside, at the outside, at the outset, I can say, at the set, at the outside, at the side, I think so. At the outset, at the outset, at the outside. Then at the invitation of, at the invitation of, tick the, sorry, at stroke T, the T-shan hook, at the invitation of. Then at the very outset, at the very outset, T double, at the surplus T, at the very outset. Otherwise you can write like this also. At the, see, at the very outset. Anyway you can write it. Whichever is very easy, whichever form is, whichever outline is very easier for you to write, you can follow that. No problem. Then at the proper time, at the proper time, at the per double, then per and proper time, stroke M, proper time. At the are written here, then for proper, per are written here, for time, yeah, at the proper time. Then another point of view, another point of view, another N double P hard with the point of view, U diphthong. N double P hard with the U diphthong. Another point of view. Then apart from this, apart from this, apart from I omitted here, then I wrote this here, apart from this. Same way, answer the purpose. Answer the question, I can say. Answer the question. See, answer the question, right? Then are we to understand the interrogation actually? Are we, this type of phrase will be used in the interrogative questions, sentences. Are we to understand? Are we to understand? Then as far as appreciation of the fact, see right here, appreciation of the fact, appreciation per session, fact, appreciation of the fact, right? Like this, some 10 more. Okay, write the outline here. Appreciation of the fact. This is above the line. Like this, 10 more outlines, 10 more phrases are given in this video. Please note down them, and practice very well. Practice and then drill them. Keep on practice, so that you can remember well, and you can easily recollect while writing the speed dictation, not taking the note shorthand dictation, right? So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you.